Hey, welcome back. The second construct of programming, which is selection. Now, selection is having an option. So what you do is at one point, it's just a junction that you decide you want to go this way or that way. Normally, selections have two options, if or else. So you would have heard about if and else. But there are possibilities to have multiple lanes, right? Multiple decisions to make in a junction. So if you have four separate lines to make a decision, then you could say if, else if, and the final one is else. So that's actually another form of selection. Now, selection can also be extended into. So it can be extended into nested selection. So this is like you have a selection first, two choices, and then you go further down and choose further. Now, let me actually take a basic selection first. So let's say if it's raining, stay home. If it's not, go to park. This is kind of a basic options. So if you're actually writing a code in that, you would say if raining, what you want to say is as an action. So this if raining is the condition. If that is true, then you're going to perform the action normally indented. It says stay home. Else, now the else is the other condition part, or else you can say go out to play in the park. So that can be another action. Now, both are not going to actually work at the same time because it's an if or else, either of it. So only one will work. So this is how if and else work. Hope this makes sense. Now, when I also mentioned about nested kind of if conditions, that if you have multiple ones, one within one, or you can also have many. In that case, if you have too many of them, you're going to use some cases. So this is called the options. So it's option one. So for example, if you have 7 days of the week to choose from, instead of writing if, else if, or elif in some programming languages, you could say case 1, case 2, case 3, or option 1, option 2, option 3. That is also possible. But that's another way, and we will move on to the next one. Thank you for watching.